How to refresh Health app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Health application on your phone. The iPhone's built-in Health application is a central hub for your health and fitness data, allowing you to track a wide range of health metrics, manage medical information, and share it with others. It collects data from various sources, including your Apple Watch and other third-party apps, and presents it in an organized dashboard format. Once you're here, long press the screen from the bottom and swipe up. You can view all the apps that are currently open over here. Swipe up on the Health app to close it. Now, go back to the home screen and open up the Health app again. Following these steps, you can easily refresh Health app on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.